Welcome to the Center for Memories, a sanctuary where the legacy of the Igbo people resonates and the echoes of history are brought to life. Today on International Museum Day, we explore the profound significance of museums and their impacts on the society. Come with me.
I don't know.
Please, where you store artifacts, of course.
History and art.
History and
Art.
Well, art, sculptures, I guess.
I believe that a museum is a space that captures a snapshot in time. It's a space that when you walk into, you have an idea of some historical knowledge or some cultural piece or some information that just gives you an idea of what happened about that point in history.
Museum is a place where historical objects are kept. Such objects could be household objects, they could be artworks, they could even be utilitarian objects used in the past. And most times these objects are used for historical purposes and educational purposes.
Oxford Language Dictionary says that it is a building in which objects of historic, scientific, artistic, or cultural interest are stored and exhibited.
One of the many services that a museum offers its audience is its educational experience. A museum is a learning opportunity. Through fascinating works on display, people can learn about diverse subject matters. So whenever you visit a museum, you walk out more knowledgeable than you came in.
Center for Memories believes that museums transcend mere collections. They are guardians of cultural identity, windows into the past, and catalysts for a vibrant future.
Nope. Yes. No.
No.
No, not really. Museum, yes.
Yes, I have.
What's the name of the museum you've been to?
I've been to several, but I've been to Center for Memories.
No.
No, I've not heard of you guys before.
It's not that I don't fancy museums. I would like to go to museums to see old artifacts, old materials, and to know more about my country, that's history, because these things are being stored in museums.
International Museum Day is a global celebration uniting museums around the world to highlight their relevance and impact.
The theme of this year's edition is Museum, Sustainability and Wellbeing. This is to highlight the relevance and importance of museums like Center for Memories in shaping sustainable societies. Museums are catalysts for positive change.
On the 18th of May, the Center for Memories will host an event to celebrate the rich narrative of the Igbo people, inviting visitors to witness the power of cultural preservation.
Today, we invite you to embrace the spirit of curiosity, to immerse yourself in history, and to celebrate the significance of museums like the Center for Memories.
Join us in this celebration as we unravel the rich tapestry of Igbo culture, where the past illumines the present and shapes the future.
Happy International Museum Day!